you little babies. This lead blocker's got something to say. Chicken bristle, Illinois, represent. I'm coming for your soul today, but I'll settle for your front too. Got my zebra stripes on, hat turned backward, eye black like war paint. Blue eyes, red hair, powerhouse gonna make you faint. Hip check, elbow in the ribs if you get too close. Nothing personal, girl, that's just how it goes. I still hear them skates screaming on the track like thunder in my chest. But I stand in a wrestling ring now, a different kind of test. I live for the hit, the crash, the bruise so sweet. Whether rolling or wrestling, fighting is my main course meat. Oh, me, Mary Miller, baby, get out of the way or get smashed. Battling through from your nightmares, you're gonna get trashed. Power jamming you down around the ring, get in that pin. Try to block me, sweetheart, I'll make you regret where you've been. I'm the queen of the jam, I'll be the queen of the ring. Around the wrinkle, make you scream and squawk and sing. Oh, pivot, turn, power block. I'm a freight train coming right after you. You think you're fast, alright, let's see what them legs do. You can run all you want, it won't matter none. When I get you in my arms, we're gonna have lots of fun. Me, Mary Miller, baby, get out of the way or get smashed. Battling through from your nightmares, you're gonna get trashed. Power jamming you down around the ring, get in that pin. Try to block me, sweetheart, I'll make you regret where you've been. I'm the queen of the jam, I'll be the queen of the ring. Around the wrinkle, make you scream and squawk and sing. So lace up, little girls, if you think you got the guts. But when you feel my hip connect, no ifs, ands, or buts. Chicken bristle, Illinois, represent. Your time is up. Better try to repent.